Hi, let's walk through how to create a task list template that will ensure your team follows the right steps for common requests. First, as an admin, you'll head to the Admin Center. Under the Workspaces section, click on Tasks, then select Create Task List. You can give your task list a name, we'll call this one Software Access Request, and add a brief description of its purpose. Click Create Task List, and here's where you can start adding individual tasks with names and optional descriptions to clearly define the steps involved. For software access, let's add our first task, which is to check role eligibility, with a few more details for your team to easily follow in the descriptions. Once you have a few tasks, you can simply drag and drop to reorder, or click into the menu here to clone, reorder, or delete a task. When you're done adding tasks, go ahead and click Save to store your task list. Now let's switch to the agent perspective. You've received a ticket requesting access to a software, and you know your admin created a task list for this very purpose. You click the checkmark icon in the sidebar to open up tasks, select Add a Task List, and choose the Software Access list. Then you simply check tasks off as you go, ensuring all the proper steps and approvals are completed, and this employee is able to quickly access the software they need. You eliminate guesswork and save time you otherwise would have spent searching through documentation to find the right process. Plus, it reduces the risk of missing critical steps, improving compliance and service quality. Ready to streamline and standardize your workflows with tasks? Click the link below to get started.